In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add video to Webflow, full 2026 guide. First, make sure you're inside your Webflow project with the page you want to edit open in the designer. If you're working within a specific section or container, click to select it so the new element drops in the right place. This keeps your layout clean and saves you from having to rearrange things later. Next, open the Add panel. You'll find it by clicking the plus icon in the left toolbar. This is where all the building blocks of your site live. At the top of that panel, there's a search field. Type the word video to quickly filter the options. You should see the video element appear in the results. Select the video element and add it to your page. You can click it to insert it into your currently selected wrapper, or drag it onto the canvas and drop it where you want it to live. If you're building within a grid or a flex layout, watch for those helpful blue placement highlights so the element snaps neatly into your design. With the video element selected, head to the settings panel. This is where you connect your content. Paste a YouTube or Vimeo link into the video URL field, and Webflow will automatically embed the player. The preview you see is pulled from the platform, so you'll get the familiar controls and a clean, responsive frame out of the box. Where available, adjust playback options like autoplay and controls, and remember that most browsers require autoplayed video to be muted. For accessibility and a better user experience, it's usually best to leave controls visible unless the video is purely decorative. Switch to the Style panel to fine-tune the look. Set the width to 100% so the video fills its parent container, and let the height adjust automatically to preserve the aspect ratio. If you're using a fixed height layout, consider adding a responsive aspect ratio utility or padding technique to maintain a consistent 16.9 frame. On smaller breakpoints, check spacing and alignment, reduce any excessive margins, and make sure the video feels balanced with nearby content. A couple of quick tips as you customize. If you want a branded cover image or a click-to-play experience, consider pairing your video with a lightbox for more control. For short, looping visuals with no controls, a background video works well. Just keep file sizes small for performance. And if your audience relies on captions, add them on YouTube or Vimeo so they appear in the embedded player. When you're happy, click Preview to test playback and responsiveness, then return to the designer to make any last adjustments. That's it. Your video is in, styled, and ready to go. Congratulations.